Hello everyone, welcome back to the CAD Swift Guide channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a basketball on Onshape, a free CAD software. This is a perfect tutorial for beginners and intermediate level. Alright, so if we're going to choose, we can first start by choosing the front plane from here, or going here, right click and choosing the view normal to. Now that we're here, we're going to choose sketch option, create a new sketch and choose this plane. Now we're going to choose the center point circle, and right from the center we're going to extend the circle. We're going to make it 2 inches in diameter. Now we're going to take this line option, which you can either do by pressing L on the keyboard or choosing the line option. So from the middle, so when you go to the middle of the top, you're going to see this little circle highlight. So there we go. Now from the top we're going to draw the line all the way to the bottom. Right click and escape that line. So now we're going to take these scissors. You can choose that by pressing M or choosing the option. We're going to choose this side of the circle and we're done with the sketch. So now we're going to go to the revolve option. We're going to choose this, and for the revolve axis we're going to choose this center line that we had drawn, and we're done with that. So this is how it's looking right now. Now we can hide this for now because we have to draw the grooves of the basketball. So we're going to choose create a new sketch again, choose this plane. We're going to take the center point circle. Right from the center we're going to draw it again 2 inches. So now we're going to draw another circle, but this time it's going to be from the middle top of this circle. So we're going to take this circle right from here. It's going to highlight this little center icon. There we go. And from there we're going to draw a circle, and we're going to make it 1.33 inches in diameter. Now we need to draw another circle around it, but so what we're going to use is this extrude option. We're going to use the offset option. You can do that by pressing O or pressing this little icon over here. We're going to press on it and we're going to left click outside, and we're going to make it 0.06 inches like that. Now instead of us drawing these two circles again on the other side, we can use this mirror option. So click on the mirror option and choose the line of symmetry, which is this x-axis. We're going to choose these two entities to be mirrored, these two circles. Now we're going to choose the center point rectangle. Remember, you can do that by pressing R or by going to the drag down and center point rectangle. So from the center we're going to draw one rectangle like this. Enter for the length, we don't care about that, but we're going to make the width 0.06 inches. Now we're going to draw another vertical one like this, and we're going to make the width here 0.06 inches. Alright, so now we need to remove all the excess, all the stuff outside of the main basketball circle. So we're going to choose the scissors again, the trim option, which you can do by pressing M. We're going to zoom in and remove all of this stuff that's outside like this. 1, 2, zoom in if it doesn't, so you guys can make sure that it's perfect. Again, come to this side. You zoom in by scroll wheel, and you can move to left and right by holding the scroll wheel and going to the other side. And again, hold the scroll wheel and go to the top. And inside the basketball, we're going to remove these squares that have formed. This is going to make our life easier later towards the end. So we're going to remove these and these last 4. Alright, now we're done with the sketch, so we can press the green check mark. Now we're going to choose the extrude option. Now as we go over the circle, you're going to try and go over this little square, and all of this is going to highlight. We're going to left click this, but we're going to choose remove, not new, add or intersect. We're going to go to remove, and we're going to give it a depth of 2.36 inches like that, and we're going to merge with all and make it symmetric. These two are very important. And now we can press the green check mark. It's going to disappear, but that's because we hit it earlier, if you guys remembered. So if you press the eye icon, it's going to be back. But a basketball isn't hollow, so let's hide it again. We need to give it we need to make it not hollow anymore. So again, sketch, choose the front surface, choose another center point circle. But now we're going to make it 1.91 inches, just a little smaller than the basketball. We're going to do the thing we did in the beginning. So we're going to take the line again from the center to the bottom, right click escape line, take the trim option by pressing M or choosing it, remove that and finish the sketch. Take the revolve option, but this time we're going to do something a bit different. We're going to again choose this and take the revolve axis as the center, but this time instead of new and finishing it, we're going to go to the add option. So now that we've chosen the add option, we're going to choose merge with all. It's going to disappear, but that's fine. We're going to merge with all and make sure that this is on full and this is on add. Now we're done with that. Now if we press on show part, our basketball should be complete. But we're not done. Our basketball is in blue. So we're going to give color. So first we're going to give color to the insides, and usually the inside is black. So we're going to right click on revolve to, and you're going to see this add appearance to feature. We're going to press on that and we're going to choose black. And as you guys can see, these are still blue. So we're going to go to the extrude one, right click, add appearance and make it black. So it's all black. Alright. But we still need to give color to the outside. So what we're going to do is go to part 1. And we're going to choose edit appearance. We can do that. Oh, sorry. We can go to the revolve one. I'm sorry. We go to revolve. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So we can go to part 1, right click, edit appearance and choose this yellow option. And there we go. Alright guys, there we go. We're done. There's a little confusion at the end, but you can go to part 1 and choose edit appearance and choose this yellow option. You guys can put in a code of a color you feel might be more suitable, but this is fine for me. So yep, this is it. You can press P to remove all the other stuff, and yeah, there we have it guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye.